In large Splunk environments, inefficient scheduled searches can impact platform performance, increase resource consumption, and create unnecessary search concurrency. Atlas Search Hub helps teams optimize and govern their Splunk scheduled searches by identifying inefficient search behavior with search governance and providing guided remediation workflows using the fixed search modal. Start in the Scheduled tab and switch to the Governance view. Here, you can quickly see which searches are passing or violating your rules. Scheduled searches marked as warning indicate potential issues, such as high frequency or misaligned time ranges. Searches marked as escalated indicate that this search has been flagged for a set period of time and still has not been resolved. To take action, click the menu on a scheduled search and select Fixed Search. This opens the Triage modal, where you can review and resolve issues directly. In the Improve Schedule tab, Search Hub analyzes the current schedule and suggests optimizations. Click Propose New Schedule to generate a recommended schedule that reduces concurrency and improves performance. You can review the projected impact before applying the change. Next, switch to the Fixed Time Range tab. If a misalignment is detected, Search Hub will highlight the gap between your schedule and time range. Review the recommended values, then click Apply Time Range to align the search window with its execution interval. Once applied, the scheduled search is updated, and the issue is resolved. You'll see the status move from warning to passing once governance runs again. And that's it! With search governance and the triage modal, you can quickly identify and fix inefficient scheduled searches, improving performance across your environment. Atlas by Presidio. Know your data. Own your outcomes.